Where are you at? I told you to be here by noon. It's 12:01.
Hi, how are ya?
I can't work under these circumstances.
I'm here. Sorry, late. I brought you this. This little rat.
Because you know I love pasta.
No, because you look like a rat.
I brought you here because, first of all, you're adopted. Second of all, you know, my brows have deflated. They used to be as fat as my ass, and now they're kind of serving me chola vibes. Today we're going to be laminating our eyebrows.
Don't know what that means. Laminate.
So basically we're going to push them up so they look like caterpillars so we have the effect of a thicker brow. Don't mind my unicorn, guys. Doctor, I'm scared. How long do I have?
Hello. You don't have very long.
Alright, so we're going to be using the lash lift kit. So this is an eyelash kit, but you can also use it for your eyebrows.
It says don't use on your eyebrows.
So the first thing we're going to use is the number 4. This is the cleanser.
Okay, yep, there you go.
I think, hold on. Dip it in here. You're going to go ahead and cleanse your eyebrows first, okay?
Like this one? Hey, my eyebrows are good. I think we're done.
So you're going to need some of the plastic wrap. Ooh, I got tingles. Are your nipples erect? Oh, I feel like a sweaty, pickly bitch. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to go with the number 1.
Number 1.
This is going to smell like your breath.
So good?
No. Like a whale's blowhole.
It's like how you smell daily. Oh!
Don't worry, it's going to look crazy. I know you're going to be like, oh my god. But then once you like brush them the way you want, it's like so much better. Push it up. What?
Why do you leave it on for?
10 minutes.
I look like the leftover carne asada.
Yeah. See how it's going in. Yeah. Now we wait 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, that's kind of a look for you.
I know.
Like I could see you go to the Met Gala.
I can see it too.
Like Kim Kardashian, she might like go home on an Uber XL because you're bringing the look. This year, Met Gala theme, leftovers. Coming in, roast beef.
Black Forest ham.
It's over for you bitches.
Did it even begin?
Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's take them off. Ooh, I feel relieved.
I'm Angeli.
And then we're gonna...
It was like a Hannah Montana moment.
So you're gonna wipe it off. And you want to go in with a little bit of cleanser too.
Mine are red.
I know. The first time you do it, they're gonna be a little red. Are you worried?
Yeah.
I was worried the first time. But then, like, once the numbness on the side of my face went away, I knew it was gonna be okay.
Oh, okay.
And you might lose vision on your right eye.
And hearing?
Yeah, you might taste from your ears.
Oh, okay. Well, you should have just started with that.
Oh, okay. Now you're gonna go back in with the number 2, fixation. This is gonna the finalizer. Like, you know, you put the shampoo and then you put the conditioner. Yeah, nothing like that. The first time I was like, but it's the bristles that are really, really hard. That's irritating.
They said irritating.
That sounds like my faja in the morning. My stomach's like, bitch, let me out, please. Johnny, is that you down there? Yeah, it's me. Can you come get me? No. All right, guys. While she's finishing up, I'm gonna put the timer on for 10 minutes, and then we will see you in a...
Is it good?
So it's been 10 minutes now. Let's go ahead and take it off. It looks like a ghost came out of Scooby-Doo's ass and was like, boo! Scared you. I'm on the floor like, I can't find my glasses.
And I'm right here holding them like...
So we're going to go ahead and wipe this off. Look at my eyebrows, look so much fuller now. Like I feel like a born-again Christian. Alright, while she's wiping her eyebrows down, you're going to go in with the number 3, nutrition. When I first did my eyebrows like that, I was like that. I got a little red. It's because you're adding something new onto your skin.
Right.
And then these bristles are really hard.
They are.
So it's like
irritating.
It's irritating, yeah. Kind of like your personality.
Kind of like your voice. They look good.
Dude, they're gonna look a little crazy at first. Like you're gonna be like, oh, they're crazy. But after a couple of days, they're gonna fluff up again. Right now they look super flat, but they'll fluff up. And then they're gonna look more natural. make sure when you do this, don't wash your face at night and give yourself about 24 hours to shower. For you, that's normal because you don't shower for 72 hours.
You don't shower for like a month, so.
I mean, I don't see any computers here. All I see is facts.
So, with this, like, treatment or whatever, I kind of have, like, now I have eyebrows, you know, I can raise them. But, like, I never had, like, much fullness to them, and now I kind of, I see the shape, I see the fullness, so that's good. Did you have those the whole time?
Yeah. While you were talking, I left. And then I ate something, too.